Qingdao Fa Technology Company Limited was established in 2018 and is located in Qingdao, China. It is a company specializing in sales and service of optical communication equipment, network and wireless test instruments, and optical cable equipment. Our experienced staff is committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and is always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are mainly used in power, railway, telecommunications operators, colleges and universities, and scientific research institutes, energy and other industry fields, providing comprehensive equipment and solutions with high competitiveness. Our products are sold well in all cities and provinces in China, and are also exported to customers in countries and regions such as Europe, America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We support OEM, bulk sample orders, fast shipment of small orders, return and refund services for orders with quality problems, flexible payment methods, including Alibaba Credit Guarantee orders. We promise that our products are reasonably priced, quality guaranteed, and shipped on time, and all necessary details are included in the sales contract to ensure safe and efficient business. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefit, we have won a good reputation among customers with professional services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us, act as agents for our products, and achieve common success.